Hello, boys and girls. I'm Teacher T. Guess what we're doing today? Today, grade 2s, we are reading Whistle for a Dog. Whistle for a Dog. One morning, Lucy was in the park with her mom and dad when she saw Mark. "Oh, good," she said. "He's got Spotty with him." "Look at this, Mom. When I whistle, Spotty will come running to me." Lucy liked Spotty. He was fun to play with. She wanted a dog just like him. "Can I have a dog?" Lucy asked her mom and dad. "You can have a pet, Lucy," said her mother. "But why not have a rabbit?" "No," said Lucy. "Rabbits like to run about on hills, but I want a pet like Spotty who will live in our house." "Then what about a cat?" asked Dad. "Cats like to live in houses." "No, cats sleep all the time," said Lucy. "I want a pet to play with. That's why I want a dog like Spotty." "But we can't keep a dog as big as Spotty in our house," said Mom. "Why not have a small dog like that one?" "No," said Lucy. "I don't think a dog like that would want to play with me." "What about that one?" said Mark. "No, I don't think I would want to play with that one," said Lucy. "I think I know where we'll find a dog for Lucy," said Lucy's dad. "Come on." The dog's home was a big building, and in it were lots of dogs waiting to find good homes. "I like all the dogs," said Lucy. Her mother laughed. "You can have one," she said, "and that's all." "There's a good dog," said Dad. "Yes, but he's too small," Lucy said. "He could not run with me in the park." "What about this one?" asked Lucy. "No," said Mom. "He's too big. Our house is too small for him." In the end, Lucy found one that looked like Mark's dog. "Oh, look, I like this one," she said. "Can I have him?" He was not as big as Spotty, but he was fun to play with, just like Spotty. Lucy fed him and took him for walks, and she called him Whistle. In my next video, I will be reading Penny. If you want to see more of this video, please like and subscribe to my Teacher T channel.